By far the most common problem that I see again and again and again, and it just happened now on a call, is that everyone wants to start with tactics, not strategy. And this is absolutely what's happening in the world of AI, and I'll explain what I mean. So everyone wants to know, oh, can you come and show us how to use Claude, or show us how to do vibe coding, or help us with this AI thing. But what happens when you do that is, great, a few people will know how to do something new, they might use it a bit, but it's totally ignoring the bigger picture of what's happening in the organization. And what I mean by that is, the existing problem that I see all the time is that organizations are getting incredibly frustrated that nothing's really happening. There's no momentum with the AI. There's no business change. There's no tangible benefits of this massive AI potential. And so you've got all these little pockets of people doing different things, but it's not really joined up at all. It's not part of the greater strategy. And all that people want is to be trained or shown or do these little things and not step back and look. And what happens is they'll do these little things. So they'll learn how to vibe code, for example. It'll work. I mean, on the call that I just had, someone said it works for like 3 weeks, and then it just kind of fizzles out, it breaks, and then they forget about it. So no real impact is happening. If you step back, if you do the foundations, why are you doing it? What's the strategy for the business? What are the measurables? Is it safe? Is it, within your AI policy? Have you understood how the work happens in the business in order to fix these things? How do you prioritize them? How do you decide what happens next? Once you've done all of that, once you've engaged your people and looked at the broader picture, only then should you start to say, okay, we should do this or we should do that. And if we do that, our measure of success is this or is that. So you do the change, you do the coding, you do the vibe coding, whatever it might be. You then say, did that make us more efficient? Did it improve the process? Did it speed up our efficiency? Did it reduce our cost? Did it increase profit? Whatever your measure might be, it doesn't matter. But did it do those things? And if it did or it didn't, that's great. That's information. So you then use that, you share it with the wider team and the business, and then you go back around again. And that's how you get momentum. And I just see again and again people going in straight for the little tactic. I guess it's like marketing, do my new website or do my social media, but not looking at the bigger picture. So if you really want to get momentum, AI momentum, real tangible benefit in your business, you've got to step back. As tempting as it is with the shiny stuff, you've got to step back. You've got to look at that bigger picture, and you've got to strategically decide what to do, measure it, record it, review it, share it, go back. That's what you've got to do. And I'm not saying this as someone who thinks that's what you should do. It's what I see when it happens. When you do that properly, you're going to get brilliant results. If you don't do it properly, you're just going to get chaos. It's not going to be joined up and everyone's going to be frustrated. Message over.